Mixing it up, baby.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kevin.
And we're the Clark Brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
We are making condiments today, that's for sure. So we've got something really special for you today. We have discovered a recipe on the interwebs that shows us how to make our own mayo. And that's what we're going to make tonight. Yeah. And then we're going to show you how to turn that mayo into another condiment in the next shot, in the next series of this. This is like part 1. That'll be part 2. What do you think? I was not impressed. Okay, so when we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients that goes into making homemade mayo. You're going to be blown away, buddy.
Yeah, I'm sure. Will it be simple?
It's going to be super simple.
And it's easy. It's
cheesy, cheap.
Tastes good.
And it should taste as good or better than the mayo you got in the fridge. The only difference is it probably won't keep as long because it's not going to have those nasty preservatives.
Right, it's going to be fresh.
Okay,
that's it?
That's it, buddy. That's all it takes to make you your mayo.
This looks like super special.
So we've got Dijon mustard. Hasn't even been opened, looks like. We got the olive oil. That's avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
We got a lemon. We're going to use half of that. Okay. And we got an egg.
Okay.
So when we come back, we're going to show them how to make this bad boy with our fancy new immersion blender that we got off of Amazon in a day and a half.
Okay.
Ovent.
Okay. All right. So we'll come back and we'll show them how to do it, and then we'll blend this thing up.
That's it. That's all there is to it. We come back, we put all the ingredients in the bottle.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, and we got an open mouth bottle. You want something that
No, it could just be like you. Open your mouth.
You want something that can fit.
No, open your mouth. See, give me you.
You want something that can fit your...
Wow, that's a good, that was a good call. You bought that special, huh?
Yeah, I bought that special. You ready to get started?
This is it, okay.
Okay, we're going to take one egg. Okay, we're going to put it in here.
All right.
There's our egg. Now we're gonna put half of a lemon. 1/2 of a lemon. You get that? There you go. Squeeze it up. Perfect. Okay, try not to get the seeds in there. Hopefully you didn't get the seeds in there. We got to get some of this Dijon mustard, but I'm concerned that it hasn't even been opened. So we're gonna open the Dijon. And we want a teaspoon. This is really just to give it a little bit of a kick. And I'm reluctant to even dirty up the little teaspoon. You can see how teeny that is. Let's just guess, shall we?
Just squirt a little in there. Oh, dude, that was way more than a teaspoon.
You can't take it back now.
That was way more than a teaspoon.
Yeah, probably 2 teaspoons. Let's try it.
Maybe 3.
Let's.
My brother.
Well, we saved
ourselves. How much of this stuff do you put in there?
Oh, a cup.
Yeah, maybe we're going to put 3 cups in there because
my
brother just did too much.
Well, the bottle was squeezier than I thought. That's like a half. Should I pour that in? Well, I'm worried if it gets too full, I'm not going to be able to pour it.
My brother will figure it out.
Okay, ready? Okay,
and
now you've got to give it just a few seconds for the egg to kind of drip down to the bottom because we want to catch this egg, in our immersion blender when we're mixing it up. So here, you hold the immersion blender. Let me plug this thing in. Okay. Now I don't know. I'm thinking that there's 2 buttons on here. One of them's fast, one of them's slow. Yeah. Okay, so
you know which one's which, buddy?
Well, yeah, I know which one's which.
Then nothing could ever go wrong on this.
Now I'm gonna try and get this over the egg yolk.
Okay.
Kind of capture the egg yolk, and then I'm gonna pulse it just a little bit to kind of get the egg yolk going.
Is that what they told you to do?
That doesn't seem to be going at all. Is it going? Oh yeah, look, buddy, look.
But it's going to taste like Dijon now because my brother put 3 times as much.
I don't even think you're going to notice. It's going to be a little bit of a spicy mayo.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, that's it, huh?
That's it.
Well, you better put that in something, maybe.
And we got
a napkin.
And we got mayo.
All right, so that's it.
Well, you want to taste it? You want to taste it?
That does look like our mayo.
Here. What do you think?
Yeah.
So there you go.
I do get a little hint of Dijon. That's our mayo, and we're gonna take our mayo. We're gonna mix it into something else, right?
What did that take? 5 minutes?
Didn't take very long.
Yeah. So, and this will keep for a couple of weeks, right? You want to keep this sealed. That's why the ball jars are perfect, because
like a lid.
We can seal them and put them in the thing. If you didn't have a ball jar with a lid, you could put a plastic wrap over it with a little rubber band. You just want to keep the moisture from kind of coming, going in and out.
Okay.
All right.
So there you got it. That's your ranch. That was pretty simple if you wanted a homemade ranch.
That's right. Brothers Bistro, out. We're here for your help.